Why do we feel earthquakes even when they're far away? You might think distant quakes are too weak to notice, but the truth will surprise you about how seismic waves travel. When an earthquake happens, it releases energy in the form of seismic waves. These waves spread out in all directions, traveling through the Earth's crust and mantle. There are different types of seismic waves: primary waves, P waves, and secondary waves, S waves, that move at different speeds and can travel thousands of miles. Because the Earth is solid and dense, these waves can transmit energy far from the source, making you feel tremors even hundreds or thousands of miles away. The Earth isn't uniform inside. Different layers, rock, magma, and other materials change how seismic waves behave. Sometimes waves get amplified by geological features like sediment basins that act like natural amplifiers. These effects can make distant earthquakes feel stronger in certain locations. So even if the quake is far, local geology can boost the shaking energy, making you feel those distant tremors. Not all seismic waves are the same frequency. Low-frequency waves have longer wavelengths and lose less energy as they travel through the Earth. Because of this, they can cover great distances and are often the waves you feel far from an earthquake's origin. These waves produce slow, rolling motions instead of sharp jolts, which can make distant earthquakes noticeable even when they aren't very strong close up. Humans are surprisingly sensitive to ground vibrations. Our bodies can detect even subtle motions caused by seismic waves traveling through the Earth. This sensitivity means that even weak shaking from distant earthquakes can be noticeable, especially in tall buildings that sway more with gentle ground movement. So your own body helps you feel quakes that might seem too far away to matter. So next time you feel an earthquake from far away, remember how seismic waves race through the Earth's layers, amplified by geology and your own sensitivity. It's a stunning reminder that our planet is a giant, vibrating system. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.